Hey guys, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. Tonight we are going to go through our box of tools. We're going to pull out each tool and we're going to name each tool and take a look at it and see what it does. You guys ready to get started? Alrighty guys, let's pull out our first tool. Oh, it's a spade. This spreads concrete. You take it and you spread some mortar between the concrete and it makes the bricks stay together. It's called a spade. Let's see what we got next. Hammer, our good old-fashioned trusty hammer. Everyone loves the hammer, that's for sure. And that knocks all the nails right into the wood. Hammer. Let's see what else we got. Razor blade. This is really sharp. Then the razor blade, the blade comes out at the front and it cuts everything like cardboard and wood. Razor blade. Oh, this is the flathead screwdriver. Put that in there. And that is the flathead screwdriver. That one is one of the coolest ones we got. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, we have another hammer. And this one, let's do the color, is green and orange. Hammer. Let's take a look. See what else we've got. So we've got a screw and a lug nut. And a piece of wood. Look at that piece of wood. So how does that screw come out? Well, we just unscrew it. Let's see what we got in here. Maybe we can use our adjustable wrench, right? Adjustable wrench. And let's open it up. And we'll see how this works. So this little nozzle here, you move it up and down, and that opens it up. Let's see. Then we put it onto the screw, tighten it up, and then look at that, guys. It tightens it. So we have our screw and our adjustable wrench. Let's see what else we have. Drill. This is an electric drill. And we use that tip right there is a Phillips tip. To the screws. Alright, let's see what else we have in our box. Saw. Remember the saw? This one cuts through all of the wood. Saw. Pliers. These open and close. They hold on to things like screws. You can do this and even tighten up the screw. This is a plier. Let's take a look. Oh, we got a brand new, different style screwdriver. It's a Phillips screwdriver. Because it's got the 4 sides on it. So that is a screwdriver. Whoa, look at this cool drill. That is a tool drill. And this is the handle. Hold on. And then that makes the screw go into the wood. Or you can drill. This is a drill bit. And that goes right into the wood. This is a wrench. And it's got 2 different sizes. Look at the shape of it. Wrench. Let's see what else we've got. Whoa, do you know what this one is? This is the same thing. It's an adjustable wrench because you can adjust it. That is really cool. Put our drill over there. Alright, let's see what else we got, guys. Whoa, the straight edge. This is called a straight edge. It goes on an angle. Pretty cool. That helps you line up the wood. Straight edge. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, we've got a smaller version. Look at how tiny this little guy is. That is also an adjustable wrench. An adjustable wrench. Let's take a look and see what else. The C-clamp. Look at this C-clamp. Adjust it. C-clamp. Let's see. Oh, this is the good old wood saw. Wood saw cuts into wood. A lot like this one. Check out the wood saw. Let's see what else we've got in here. There's another style of a Phillips flathead. That is actually a flathead screwdriver. Oh, these are tongs. And they can clamp down on something and hold it while you pick it up. Like, for instance, wood even. Hold this and pick it up. Let's see what else. Oh, we've got another hammer. This is a small one. But a hammer. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, let's take a look at our electric drill saw. Look at that saw bit. Watch this. Power saw. That one is super cool.